Oh, that's an eagle. Look, look.
No way! It's a hawk!
Hawks aren't brown.
They are.
Eagles are.
It's a hawk!
Eagle!
Hawk! Eagle! Hawk!
A magical world resides around us. A world made known to us only by sound and sight. Curious by nature, children may never get to admire the beauty that resides in their surroundings if they are not allowed to explore it. Birds play one of the most important roles in the conservation of our environment. A lesson that can be taught to our future generations by helping them preserve and nurture these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Internet of Birds is a citizen science platform by Accenture Labs in collaboration with Bombay Natural History Society, BNHS. The platform is built on the curated data set of Indian birds. Internet of Birds is powered by artificial intelligence technologies such as computer vision and machine learning at the edge. The solution uses Accenture-created, deep learning-based fine-grained image recognition, which allows citizens to upload digital photos in Internet of Birds mobile application to accurately identify bird species. Our flight to make children fall in love with nature has just begun.